Setting up the elements for hot foil stamping in your file is very simple. Let's go through the process together in Adobe Illustrator. To begin, you need to create a new color swatch. To do this, go to the Window menu, then select Color. Adjust the color values by setting the 4CMYK components. In the Color panel options, choose Create New Swatch, and rename the color to Hot Foil. Now, change the color type to Spot Color. The spot color you have just created will now appear in the Swatches panel. Next, apply this new hot foil color to all the vector elements that will be hot foil stamped. In the second step, all elements filled with the hot foil color need to be set to overprint using the Attributes panel. Overprinting ensures that the areas underneath the object to be hot foil stamped are not omitted in the CMYK separation. Select the elements and check Overprint Fill if it's a filled area. If it's a stroke, select Overprint Stroke. To verify that everything is set correctly, open the Separations preview window in the Control panel. To check the color separations, tick the box labeled Overprint Preview. You can use the Hide and Show options to either reveal the area underneath the overprint or highlight only the overprinted areas. It's important that the objects underneath the hot foil layer are not omitted.